We've got about 2 minutes left to trade. Let's have a look at the S&P intraday charts. You can see right across the screen for the whole session. We're somewhere in the middle of the range, and we did have declines in both Asia and Europe overnight, so that puts it in perspective. And also the S&P was up 0.9% this week, looking like it's going to close down about 0.6%. All four of the indices for you. You can see the Nasdaq outperforms relative to the others. It was the underperformer last week, a little lower for the week as a whole. The Dow, as you can see, down about 167 points. The low of the day was down 194, so we're just off that. But again, we did see declines around the rest of the world throughout the session. Let's have a look at some of the big M&A movers today. Sky and Comcast, of course, the first Comcast, our parent company. Sky up about 7 or 8%, 8.6 at the close. Comcast down 6%. People wondering whether Comcast is overpaid. Of course, they argue they will deliver the synergies over time. And Sirius XM buying Pandora. Sirius down pretty sharply, 10.2%. Some interesting media M&As. Will that continue? Let's bring in Bertha Coombs as well. Just look at the sector performance on today. And energy, the only really outperformer, up significantly. The rest kind of lagging.
Yeah, interestingly, the view of the new communication sector, which really includes what we think of as tech names, those performed well. Facebook, Twitter, those guys are all moving higher. Comcast is the big drag there, as we're now combining those with telecom. But that is where you're seeing that outperformance in the Nasdaq. Almost today, a little bit of a safe haven play into the FANG names, interestingly enough. Apple is higher. That really helped lead the turnaround in the Nasdaq 100. It didn't really translate to the Dow or the rest of the S&P. But the other thing I want to note is healthcare hitting yet another all-time high for the sector, which is up 13%, the best performer for the third quarter. Today, you had a number of biotech names with great trial results really boosting that sector.
Bertha, thank you very much. There goes the bell.